Natural Inner Health Remedies. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Olive oil benefits. Olive oil is the natural oil that's extracted from the olive. Traditionally, the consumption of olive oil is essential in the Mediterranean diet and is beneficial for health. It turns out that olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is very beneficial for your health, from heart health to preventing colon cancer, breast cancer and skin cancer to weight loss and aging well. Not all olive oils are created equally. The extraction process of olive oil depends on crushing olives and then the process of separating the oil from the pulp under pressure. Olive oil is extracted, post-pressured, repressed with or without the use of hot water. The result obtained from this kind of process is usually an intense color, weaker aroma, and a higher content of free fatty acids. The oil extruded by chemical extraction can be consumed only after being refined. The refining process is purifying the extracted oil from any residual solvent. Refined olive oil lacks vitamins, polyphenols, phytosterols, and other low molecular natural ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil is low yield and is more costly to produce than different types of olive oil. It contains the highest level of polyphenols. Due to the removal of free fatty acids, olive oil has a weaker flavor, aroma, and light color. Prevents heart disease. Olive oil helps in lowering bad cholesterol and thus preventing heart disease. A good source of omega-3 fatty acids, also found in fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential in preventing heart disease. The body transforms these acids into prostaglandins, that can block inflammation and help heart, liver, and kidney function. Helps fight cancer. Olive oil is high in antioxidants. These antioxidants reduce the harmful effects of free radicals, which can cause disease. Olive oil also contains a large amount of anti-cancer agents. Studies have shown that there was a direct correlation between high consumptions of olive oil and a lower risk of developing breast cancer. Although there is no proof as to the cause of breast cancer, the assumption is there is a connection between healthy fats and hormone function. The majority of monounsaturated fat in olive oil is oleic acid, making up almost 3/4 of the oil content. Oleic acid is an anti-inflammatory compound that is similar to ibuprofen in terms of its profile and potency. Oleic acid may be able to help fight cancer as it has beneficial effects on the genes linked to cancer cells. But further studies are needed. Olive oil supports brain health and helps fight against depression. The brain requires high levels of fatty acids to function correctly. Since olive oil is high in good fatty acids, it helps us to perform tasks and think clearly. It also improves our focus and memory. Studies have shown that healthy fats help balance hormones, which, along with anti-inflammatory properties, prevent neurotransmitter dysfunction. Thus, in turn, helps to ward off depression. Helps with weight loss. Healthy fats found in olive oil control insulin and help controlling our weight. Insulin is not only a hormone that controls blood sugar levels, it also can cause us to gain weight. These fats also reduce hunger and assist in controlling cravings and overeating. Diets low in fats does not help in weight loss. Whole foods, including healthy fats and decreasing carbohydrates, were more successful. Thus, consuming olive oil does not appear to increase weight. Lowers risk of diabetes. Around 1 million people in Australia have type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that consuming these good fats found in olive oil has positive effects on a person's sensitivity toward insulin and can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. These good fats can help stabilize insulin and blood sugar levels. Slows the aging process. A recent study showed a group of people aged 65 to 85 studied over 10 years. The subjects who consumed 1/3 of a cup of olive oil per day tended to live longer and healthier than those who did not, while those who consumed half a cup per day were less likely to develop dementia. These antioxidants, called saccharidoids, present in olive oil, that are responsible for reducing cellular stress and anti-aging. Consuming enough olive oil. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, consuming 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per day will certainly do you good. But it varies on the quality of olive oil you are consuming, and how it's used in recipes. But if you are thinking about frying with extra virgin olive oil, that can be a good thing. When cooking with extra virgin olive oil, it has a higher concentration of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Finally, we can conclude, consumption of olives or olive oil is regarded essential for preserving a healthy and relatively disease-free population. Other studies have proven that the olive-derived compound oleuropein helps the body secrete more insulin, a molecule in the body that controls metabolism. This compound also detoxifies another molecule called amylin that overproduces and forms harmful elements in type 2 diabetes. Oleuropein tries to prevent the onset of this disease. Keeping in view the fantastic health benefits of extra virgin olive oil, one should make a habit of consuming it daily for leading a healthy life. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.